how to edit your digital men's birthday dinner invitation. Okay, so everything on here is editable. Now, from time to time, Canva will change some of the elements from free to paid. As of right now, this moment, everything on this template is free. If you change your fonts or your text to something that is paid through Canva, you'll have like a little crown, kind of like this crown on the brand right here. If you see that, then it tells you that if you don't have a Canva Pro, that you'll have to pay extra for that. So, for example, I can go on to my Join Us to Celebrate. If you want to change that greeting, you can come on over to the text and you can pick. If I click on that text up here at the top, it will give me the type of text that it is. If you want to change that, you can go over to the side and you can find a new text. Now, if you don't want to pay extra, what you do is you come on over and you pick free. It will give you all of the free texts that you can use that you will not be charged for if you are not a Canva Pro member. So all of these texts over here that do not have a crown by them, they are all free. Okay, so you can change the text here, you can change the text here, you can change the color if you want to. If you want to come up, I have it as gold right now because the whole theme is black and gold for the invitation. But if you want to change it to a different color, you just click on the A up here where it's got the line, and you can pick whatever colors that you would like to change them to. Down here I have the dates and time. Of course, you're going to want to change that. I have just a name in there. You can change to the person's name, obviously, that you are making the invitation for. Then there is another slide. When you download this as an MP4, everything goes together as a video. You won't have separate slides. It'll just be all together. So it'll be animated and all together. Of course, you can change the details. You know, I started with drinks, dinner, and then, you know, what the dress code would be if you have a dress code. And then also the third slide is send the birthday boy a gift with Venmo and Cash App. If you so choose, you can use that slide. If you don't want it, you just hit the little trash can and you can delete that slide altogether and not even have that one, or change it to whatever you want. You can do that as well. So you can change the text. Right here is where you would add the person's picture. So what you do is you go over to upload. You have a picture on your desktop. You can upload that picture to the desktop. I'm just going to use an element just to show you. I'm just going to go in and say just have dressed up man. It's going to give me photos. So let me see if I can just find, this is a nice looking guy. So I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to click on that. So when you upload, you'll upload, slide it over into the circle, and that photo will go right into the circle. Say you put one in there, you don't like it, just delete it, and you can pick whatever you like. All of these animations work. I'll show you. You can test to see what your slides will look like. You just go up to the 17.3 seconds, which is how long the little video is. And what you do is you just click on that and it will show you what that video will look like for you, what the invitation will look like when the person gets it from you. And it's got all three slides. I'm just going to get out of there for now. Now, how do you download it? Once you have everything the way you want it, you go to share, you go to the download. It'll probably already have the MP3 video for you because that is what that's what the file basically is. If you have all 3 pages, you just leave it the way it is and download, or if you have 2 pages, just leave it as is and download. You just downloaded it, it downloads to your device in the download section, And then you can take that MP4 video and you can send it through a text. You can use it on Facebook Messenger. You can put it on Instagram, Instant Messenger. You can use it however you want to, wherever you want to. Send it in an email for the invitation, and you can use it however you like. So that is exactly how you change the invitation to your liking, and then download it and use it and send it to friends and family.